without you. I don't wanna live this life. You are my energy when I'm weak. Oh, you are my medicine when I'm sick. Everything I love in this world is all about you. Ooh, you mean everything to me. Yeah. Ooh, you are the love.
Hello? Honey, are they okay? Are they okay, my husband? Now they cook. Once I cook and finish now, just go clean palace before I come. I don't cook finish sef. You dey hear am? Yes, I don't cook finish. Okay. No problem, no problem. I dey okay, I dey ready. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Hey. Welcome, sir. Welcome. I beg enter. Sit down. Come in.
This is Chike, my colleague in the office.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. That I told you about. Chike, I hope you don't mind. Let me have a word with her. Yes.
Well done, sir. Welcome, sir.
Chike, can I have a word with her? Okay. I want to see you. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
I don't understand.
What do you mean by you don't understand? Did I tell you I was coming here with my friend?
Yeah, I don't cook everything done ready.
It's not about the food. Why are you dressed like this? For crying out loud, see all that God gave to you, you can't even utilize it.
I did do bead, now the bead pour for grass, and make I run sweep and before you and your friend go come. Everything.
So all the clothes that you have in this wardrobe, you did not see anyone that you could wear and clean that thing.
The cloth, no be bead picking clothes. No be clothes where they wear take big for.
Listen to me.
For ground.
Inside this wardrobe, you have a lot of clothes that will make you dress better. Do you understand me? Wear them.
I'll change. Invest. You welcome.
Bros, I'm sorry, I took some time. How far? What do I offer you?
Water. Water is fine.
Water?
Yeah.
But I have spirits, I have wine.
I will do with water.
Yeah. So, that thing that we were discussing.
Yes.
Before we got here. By weekend.
So, I was thinking about the project.
I told the guy about that project. He did not listen. Well, anyhow,
I think we should use the same.
Honey, go to the wardrobe. Very close to that box. I wear my trousers. I usually arrange my trousers. Check down. You dip your hand deep inside. Then you go by the corner. You see my passport.
Bring it.
Yeah, no. When you bring it, you just from there signal me. Take care. So, as I was saying, what I told Oga the other time.
Seriously, who was that dressed like a clown in your home?
Are you okay? Do you realize it's my wife you're calling a clown?
Wow. I'm sorry, but who was that? Are you that classless to set up?
Chike, respect yourself right now. You're calling me classless? Is something wrong with you? Why would you be speaking to me like that?
Then, come on, bro. Is it that you're stingy that you cannot afford to get her decent clothes? That
Chike, I don't like this. I don't like this. Do you know how many clothes that woman has in her wardrobe that she has refused to wear? What do people want me to do? What do people want me to do? Drag her into her wardrobe and start dressing her up?
Okay. All I'm saying is, nobody would believe she's your wife. I mean...
My love, you never talk anything since your friend go. Whether you like the food or I...
Listen. I am not in the mood for any conversation right now. What did you not do? What exactly did you not do? Why have you made up your mind to embarrass me in every situation? Why? Why is it that if I don't dress you up, you can never come out? Okay, I get it. You have made up your mind that I will be the talk in town, in the office tomorrow. That director that does not know how to dress his wife. That director that the wife dresses in rags.
In the rags. Cloth full room there where you buy food.
Then wait! That's why we buy them! Look at what you're wearing!
I don't know, say you go vex again. As you come, you say make I go change. I don't go change. You say make I fix nails. I don't fix nails. I know they feel scratch my back again. You say I will fix this lash. Now the lash where you give me, it be like canopy for my eye. Something they took me for here. You say make I change. I did try.
Do you know that it was actually better what you wore when we came into the house than this one? Just see white stain. See, I don't know. Were you
Last time I wear a mix, then I don't try to come out and sense. You know they agree come out. No vex. Na milk, na him touch the cup. I to come out and sense.
Babe, I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. What kind of thing is this now?
I'll go change again. I dey improve.
You move from bad to worse, from worst to worst. What do you want me to do?
This lash, it dey make me very uncomfortable. I dey feel sick clearly. I dey tell you, even the nails to scratch back, scratch neck, I go dey fear me my hand no break. I dey try. Now I go change again. My shit.
And what is that rubbish that I saw from the CCTV?
Oga, nothing, sir.
Nothing?
Yes, sir.
Was my wife not sweeping this premises?
Okay, Oga, no. I tell her. I tell her.
You tell her what?
Yes, make she no carry the broom, now she carry am.
And you gave her the broom?
No, Oga.
What am I paying you for?
Sorry, sir.
If I slap the living dead out of you, eh?
Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir.
The next time I see you, allow my wife sweep this compound again.
Never happen again, sir. Sorry.
Oh, Donald, about your wife, I'm thinking you should get her a fashion designer, you know, someone that can help her with her dress sense.
Well, if I tell you I've not thought of that, I'll be lying. Yeah. Because her dress sense is a major challenge for me. Well, with the kind of things I see all over, with the kind of girls I see around me, I can comfortably tell you that I love my wife. I swear I love my wife.
Of course, that's how it's supposed to be.
That girl can cook.
You can't say the same. I have been to your house. Of course.
I'm not to talk about what she can do in the other room. I don't want to detail it, I'm serious. It's just her dress sense. But she's just a very distinctive woman. I've never heard, seen, I've never heard of someone like that before. Do you know that I was coming to work today. I just decided to pick up my phone and see what's going on through the CCTV. Guess what I saw?
What is that?
My wife was sweeping the compound and the security man was standing there watching her. The security man that is paid, the man that I pay to do the job was there. My wife was sweeping the compound.
You don't say. I mean, did you marry her from the village?
Which village?
Because most city girls, who would want to sweep?
See, bro, I have come to the understanding that it's not about where you grew up. It is actually how you want to live your life. I didn't marry her from the village. She didn't come from the village. But she does not see anything as too big. Neither does she see anything as too small. I was so pissed. But on the other hand, I said to myself, dude, I'm telling you, she doesn't see it as a problem. I said, I was so mad. But at some point I sat down and I'm like, okay, think of this thing again. Can you even be like this? How humble. Babe. You tear this thing.
It's too gone.
It's okay. I'm telling you, look at you. You look good.
I don't like this kind of clothes.
I love it.
Even my hand said, I don't feel...
I like it. This is how I want you to go out with me this afternoon.
But with the husband house.
What is wrong with that? You see, I know my wife. Honey, look at oh my God, look at you. I need to take a picture of you. Let me get my phone.
No snap him, no like him, no snap him. No.
The total bill is 72,350, sir.
72 waiting.
72,350.
What do you chop?
Sorry. I'll call you back.
You say you call him back. Call him back over here.
Honey, you can go.
What do you chop?
Honey.
Huh?
It's okay.
Money for 4 pots of soup.
Honey, it's fine.
You know they're okay.
This is outing.
No.
This is
No.
lunch. For crying
I
out
said
loud.
no, we'll return on.
How do you want to
I
return
bet all
it?
day here. Huh?
Honey, please now. You're embarrassing me.
Where toilet? No, they tell me. I said
How
we
do you
will
want?
return food.
Okay, if you shit it out, how do you want to?
My brother. Where is they?
Have come with your wife to the party, knowing how she behaves.
I don't understand. I don't understand. Would I have expected that my wife would come there and embarrass me? What are you trying to say? I should come to an event that has to do with me without my wife?
Look, Donald, I am not saying you shouldn't go out with your wife. You knew the party was going to have the members of the company in attendance. And she has ended up ridiculing you. Definitely you're going to be the topic of the company for the week. That's all I'm trying to say.
I just love my wife. I don't know what else to do. I can't imagine myself, being there without the love of my life. All I'm asking God is, can you just do anything and make her change? That's all.
You said she grew up in the city.
Yes, of course she did. It's just that she's one of those girls that, she's from that family that every festive, the parents will send them to the village, whether it's Christmas, Easter, New Year festival, blah, blah, blue. They'll just go and experience it and come back to the city. That's it.
That's it. That is the problem.
How could that be a problem?
Well, you just have to find a way around this because, this is really getting out of hand. She can't keep doing this to you. You just have to find a way around it because, seriously, she is going to keep messing things up for you. It's time you do something about this.
Well, this is Jenny. Jenny will be teaching you, helping you on your fashion sense. What is it?
Now this one ain't be the problem what we get for this house now. How to dress, and that one be the problem what we get now.
Stop now. She's a pro. That is why I brought her here, so that she can help you and improve on your dressing sense. Huh? That is what I want.
I don't hear. Welcome.
Please sit down.
Okay, thank you.
Tanya, how are you doing?
I don't wanna grow without you. I don't wanna live this life without you. I wanna build my world around you.
Wow.
No be one matter.
You look amazing. So nice.
No. I know like master.
Why?
Because they see him.
It's not revealing now. It's okay, it's cool.
I saw my lap there outside, nine good. I see him now. That's where the husband house.
You know you have to look sexy for your husband. That's the goal now.
The goal na to do am inside house, inside room now. Wear this kind short knicker now. It dey okay. No be say outside where visitor go come. Una come carry everything, tie all my body together with bandage. I don't like am. This one no go work.
You know most married women dress this way. Most nice.
I no follow for the most. You know what take me compare single girl? If married person dress like this, how single girl go dress? How single girl go dress?
I'm coming!
Without you, I wanna build my world around you.
You're welcome. Welcome.
You are my energy when I'm weak.
Thank you. Thank you. Honey?
You are my medicine when
Babe?
I'm sick.
Honey, this is...
Good day, Ma. Good afternoon.
This is Catherine. A lot of people call her Katerina. So she's a tutor. She's going to be helping you with your communication skills.
Me and you, they communicate for this house. We they talk. Waiting tutor won't communicate again.
I just want her to polish your, communication skills.
Where they go, where they polish communication skills? Not be house here, they.
Honey, she has taught a lot of people. You understand? A lot of big people, and that's where.
Tell me that one at the top. No problem, I don't hear you.
Honey, I'm sorry. Please do it for me. Eh?
You don't carry the other one come, you say make I do it for you. You carry new one come again, you say make I do it for you. I no get problem. Which time you gonna come teach him?
It's fine. It's fine. You will have to go to her place from morning to about afternoon hours.
Why have to go in place? Why should not you come here and teach me?
Honey, she has a place. She has more like a mini school for adults. I just want you to do it. Yeah? You know the kind of place I work, so that we can always communicate.
Me and you, they work for the same place?
No.
And they come to your office, consider?
No, boy, you...
I don't hear.
Okay, so we have a deal, huh? Please sit down. Make yourself comfortable. I need you guys to get acquainted.
Definitely. So, Miss Maria, I would really love to know what your upbringing was like.
Now I'll follow for the lesson.
Of course.
I come from a very comfortable house. I grew with my grandma for village.
Okay.
I made the first born. So my mom can drop me for village. Marry my pa go city with my younger sister. Then I grew for village with my grandma. I grew finish now married. Now yeah, when you come to teach me now.
So you mean you've been in the village for a very, very long time?
I did since they born me when I be 2 years and they carry me go there.
Wow. That's a whole lot. So what about your educational background like?
Primary education now go. As village day, I enter secondary, but the two they teach for secondary, now be equivalent to primary. So now I come after I don't come city, now I say the secondary school what I do in the primary school, then they call and real name. Now I do with you now.
Wow. Alright, so please can you concentrate?
I concentrate, but I need to check time. Time they were going to hurry go back. Woman life, not to serve husband. My husband reach us now, no food, no good. So you will need to hurry before that 2:30 so that I feel they go out, man go cook.
Oh, I agree with your husband that you leave here by 3 p.m.
I know if you come here 3 o'clock. If I come here 3 o'clock, we will go and go chop when you come back from work around 3.
But it's just 1 o'clock.
Now I'm going to tell you so. So you get 1.5 hours, maybe if you know anything you want to do. So that if you rush, go back house, go cook before you go reach us around 3. You understand what I tell you?
Miss Maria, please, I don't like how you are acting.
The tutor complained to me that you've not been attending your class. You've not been giving attention to your class. That you're always rushing home. Why?
Due to the delay. And I need to rush, come and come cook what you go eat. As you reach us now, wait for the table already, you know happy.
Food? Because of food? Honey, do you know how much I'm paying that lady for her to tutor you? Eh? And you are rushing home. Rushing home to come and do what? Instead of concentrating in class and getting the deal done.
I need to come house, come do my duty. I no go feed the house, maybe they go buy food outside. So she go need to hurry. No be say she will use her own, they can spoil my own.
Honey, if there is no food in the house, just as you said, I can simply eat out. Concentrate and do the job.
No vex.
Stop apologizing and get the deal done.
I don't know what I will talk again. Make me tell you make you no vex. I don't know how they do now, you vex again.
Donna, I noticed you've not been going out with your wife. I mean, at the just concluded end of the year party, and the other day in church, I saw you alone.
I have made up my mind not to be going out with her. I'm done.
Come on. That was harsh and wrong, you know. That was really harsh and wrong.
Dude, I said, I am done going out with her. Is he crying? Do you know how many times that woman has embarrassed me? Huh? You don't know the things I see. I just want you to know that I love my wife. Right?
If you love your wife like you just mentioned, then I think you should give her time. Be patient with her.
I am patient with my wife, my brother. I am patient. It's just that I'm sick and tired of the embarrassments. Right? See, listen. I've made up my mind. She should day her day. Let me day my day. Shikina. That's it.
Bro, you're not being patient.
Is that why you're here? Can we just talk about the last document that came to your table? Let's talk about that. No, my family, please.
Really?
Move it up. Ah, madam. Welcome.
Yeah, Taku, how you dey?
Fine.
How about your madam?
She come out.
She come out?
Yes.
How about your oga?
She come out too.
She come out?
Yes.
How you go say your oga na she?
Sorry. She go.
Nah, he come out, no be she come out. Oya, carry my bag, yeah? I don't come
You
home.
buy something for?
I don't buy anything, send me message.
Sis? What? What's happening? Come here. Where are you naked? Is that how you welcome your sister? Why will you call this naked? I'm not naked. Don't start. And why did you throw that on the floor?
You make me fear. Why are you naked like this?
Naked? How? Are you not supposed to tell me I'm looking sexy and beautiful?
Who will I give you? Why are you naked like that?
Naked? I'm not naked. Please don't start. Let me pick this up. Come. How have you been? I missed you. Come and sit down. How are you, my love?
What do you mean to?
Who do we have here?
My in-law.
My runaway in-law. Don't get it wrong. My runaway in-law.
I did not run away. You guys forgot about me, so I stayed on my own, minding my business.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I can see
Come
my
on,
sister
please.
is really taking good care of
Please,
you.
with this, talking about your sister, where is she?
She's in the bedroom.
Really?
Yes.
You look good.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you've been having fun.
Of course. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow.
Where did you go?
Honey, I'm going out with Cindy. You would like to come, huh?
No. I no go like to come.
Why?
If I come out to follow you, come out, follow Cindy, come out, who go there for house to cook, and I go chop on and come back.
No, honey. This place, it's a new joint. You need to get to that joint. First of all, the environment is wonderful. Very serene. If you eat their pepper soup, their cat pepper soup, or is it the ansala? Or is it the snail?
Okay. This is salad where you talk now. Come sit down for house, no come on, make a cooking salad for you.
Honey, I've told you. If it is about the home chores and cooking, I can hire a maid. I can hire a house help.
No. What thing God can't send me come this life can't do? I can't carry down my position, give another person to begin the clean, they cook your food. I say carry my sister, go on and go enjoy. Another day, if you carry me go. But today go so that I go cook masala for you before you come.
Honey, can we can eat out? Please. I just want you by my side. I want to hold you, look into your eyes.
Go outside. You go, my sister. When you come back, you hold down inside house. You go. May I cook food for you before you come?
Baby, please.
Baby, please. You go.
Oh my God.
Cheers.
Cheers. What you lost?
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
Did you say she's your wife's younger sister?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. But how come your wife has such? Shh.
We're to have a drink. I beg, don't interrupt it. I'm not in your TikTok. Is it which of the social media platform is that one?
This is
Is that me?
yes.
Wait. Show him now. Show him. No. You have to see.
Oh.
See how she fine.
You like it,
She's
right?
fine. Oh.
That's Snapchat.
Oh.
I
Is
see.
it quick chat?
Husband.
How many times have I told you that you can actually call me babe? No be everything. My husband.
Babe.
It's not babe. It's babe. Make it romantic. Babe.
You know see the soup I cook for you on top table? As you come back, you know see the soup. You know you come back.
Listen, I came back drunk, right? I didn't even notice you in the living room. Sorry.
Na good thing to talk more from out. Na good thing to talk more from out. Say you come out, you come back drunk. Person you don't marry. I like that for cow shoe there, you don't see me. Food don't keep on top of the table, you know chop and the food don't sour now. Insala.
But I told you not to keep food from me. I told you I was fine.
I be wife wey no get sense. As you come back now, if you come tell me say hungry to catch you, I come begin the run kitty kata kata. Huh?
Next time, you listen. I'm late to work.
Come chop.
Come chop with me. Food. I'm not hungry. I'm sorry. Take care of the house.
Babe. Now you are the fine sis.
Sis, good morning, ma.
Why you carry my husband come out, go drink, come back? You know answer whether you go, you make it chop before you sleep.
Oh, sis, don't be angry. You know, last night we had a lot to eat, drink, we had mad fun. So when we got back, it was already late. So I didn't know you want to eat something.
Yeah, miss, you know get sense. Because you're supposed to know say man not supposed to sleep with hunger. I don't like making the sleep with hunger. I don't try him again, I don't like him.
Okay, sis, I'm sorry, okay? But your hair is old, sis. You need to change your hair. It's even smelling.
You mad? The thing why they talk now, what you concern my hair? Even though you have that say, may you never carry my husband come out when he come and may you not say whether you go eat. I don't like making the sleep hungry. What you concern now with hair with the smell?
I'm just saying that your hair is smelling. You need to change it. Why are you wearing this? You need to look like Odogu wife. You can't be a rich man's wife and you dress like the maid of the house.
When you come this house, say you won't come visit us. Who you tell?
I did not tell anybody, I just came.
You just throw enter that person's house and I come begin they do like more. And you know that person they come in your house.
Sis, if I don't come and disturb you, who will disturb you?
So they create me for they disturb me.
You know my other sister.
As I be your other sister and God mandate me say go be your other sister so that I go to disturb you.
Hey now, didn't you disturb our mother when you were growing up? So it's not for me to disturb you. Sis, but I'm serious, so don't change what I'm telling you. You see this look, I don't like it. I want you to look good, apply some lip gloss, look very fine. Sir.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
How was your day?
It was a very, very busy day. You look absolutely beautiful.
Oh wow, thank you. Thank you so much, sir. And you look exhausted.
It was a very hectic day, darling. Trust me.
So sorry. Please do come inside.
Thank you.
To go that side.
Yes, sister.
Do like that. Make you do not go sit down on your own. If you want watch film with your husband. You don't hear me? No just look, they laugh like say your head no correct. Now my body you won't call like that now.
Sis.
Like that for my body, so I'll do you. You drag me like a small picking.
Sis, don't you know you're supposed to have your shower after cooking? You're smelling. Can't you see when you got into the living room? Your husband's curtain has just dropped.
Now you be my husband knows. Now you wasted. Now you be my husband knows. Ain't complain give you.
Sis, I'm just saying that it's not nice. Now you're done cooking, go and shower, wear something sexy and look good for your man.
I go bath when I'm ready to bath. I just cook finish, I never rest, make I rush go the bath.
No, you will bathe now. Sis, I'm talking this thing I'm telling you for your own good.
Carry me enter bathroom.
Makodim Maggie, that's what I'm saying.
Carry me enter bathroom, as now you be my husband. Stop all this nonsense. Now you go tell me when I go bath. No, I don't like him.
Sis, you don't want another person to take your husband away from you. You need to shower, look at your hair.
We're going to the cinemas. Would you like to come?
No. I won't rest. I don't cook, I don't tire.
Listen. Places like the cinemas, outings, gardens, restaurants, these are places that couples go to bond, to get to know themselves the more.
I don't tire for house now. We don't bond. Which bond won't go bond again? We know what they bond outside.
Honey, everything is not just about the house. Everything is not about the bed. Everything is not about... Sometimes, there's something called public display of affection. BD, You
don't do that one, Seth. You don't pass. If I follow you go cinema and now those are in film, now you go watch. Me, I get my YouTube for this what you buy for me. I do okay.
No, please no. Don't. But why can't you don't you just try to be somebody else?
Men, they pray make their wives die for one place. You, they pray make your own the cho. Why? Go with them. Go with my sister.
Honey, I am not other men. There is something I want from my wife.
Go with Cindy. Muna go watch film. I want rest. I don't cook. On my back, they pay me.
Cindy is not my wife.
My sister. Go with my sister. If I even follow you go to the cinema, this kind of people you force me put for I know if you see.
Are the one?
I don't scratch and tie.
Okay.
Sir? Is there a problem?
No.
Alright, sir. Are you sure, sir?
No, that's not.
Actually,
it's just that you look good.
oh really? Oh my god! Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I came to clean your room because my sister wants to make akara for you. So she went to blend the beans.
Oh, nice. Actually, I've been feeling that there are a lot of dirts under there.
Under, right? Under here?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll clean up everywhere.
Oh, yeah. Right now, all these places, I think there's a lot of dirt.
Yeah, that's true.
Hungry really catch you today.
And the aroma of this your meal now.
Cindy.
Why are you dragging me? You didn't ask me that kind of foolish question. Why you wear this kind of thing? You did okay? I don't understand. Why you wear this kind of thing? All your breasts dropping like canopy when my husband did. My husband not like a responsible person. I tell you, when they come marry me, tell me saying like they call my innocence.
No allow and tell you you pack more for house. When you do like this for here, you pack breast, the breast just there for air they hang. Which kind of thing be that?
See, what I'm wearing is not wrong. This is Gen Z era. So I'm supposed to look good.
Look good for yourself, don't look good for my own husband. My husband they like guests where they misbehave like this. He go drive you, I don't tell you. He go drive you, not dress like this way my husband did. I don't want you again.
But you saw me cleaning in the morning, you did not say anything.
That one I'm morning. My mind be say person like you supposed to get sense. Even on that person your husband, they come back, you go change. Which kind of nonsense be that? My husband, I beg, me no first. I don't know what to do this Chris person. Nobody like this, they train us, carry breast, put on for her, saying the hawker. I don't want to make she not dress like that again. Because she can sit down. The way you look and not say you know happy. Christian family now we come from. Huh?
Honey, first of all, what is wrong with that? That is how a normal person is expected to dress. What I'm looking at is, I'm just admiring her. The beauty of creation. That's exactly what I'm looking at.
You admire my sister?
No, I'm saying, you know, when you look at something that looks really nice, you should just put your eyes on it and take it off. That's exactly what I did. Nothing.
So she look nice. And she packed the breast where the breast is suspended, where they hang. Put her for her like say she won't hawk. My good dressing me that.
Honey, I only lifted my eyes and put it down. There was nothing else. It's just like the way I'm looking at this water and I'm taking it off. I'm looking at my phone. That's exactly what happened. If anything crosses, even a fly, I will look at the fly and take my. That's exactly what I did, you know. But you will not deny the fact that even you, don't you like it? I told you, see now, see. Why would always make people feel like this?
Look at
Don't always make. See, if somebody was not.
Oh my goodness. Look at it.
It's just a good food.
Oh my goodness. You're right. So look at.
What? See now, why would he do? But why would they always in movies make guys feel this way? I will never find myself. Imagine me finding.
Not be and tell me you wash plates for that place. You don't wash the plate finish. You can't sit down here like that on top of that person's husband's chest. They him.
Sisi, I'll wash the plates later. Can't you see I'm enjoying the TV?
Go wash the plates now.
Honey,
go wash the plate now.
Honey, she'll wash
I
the plates.
will.
She'll wash the
Make
plates.
she go now. Should they disturb you? Go there.
Honey, she's not disturbing me. We're just seeing. See, did I tell you? Did I tell you? This guy.
Oh my goodness.
If you go stay here, then sit down where? Sit down your own man. You watch what they watch. Now married person, now you follow the play like that.
Oh, Sisi, you like problem.
You see what I tell see, everybody needs to watch a movie. When you watch movie,
I go slap you if you know if you watch that thing. Make you come on your hand from on that person's man's chest. I go slap you now. Because the thing when they talk there, you know for the rich way you go they slap in chest, they shout.
but honey,
Come on your hand for there.
honey, she wasn't just slapping my chest. She was
They slap on that person's hand.
Look at all this. kill it again.
iPhone.
Oh, that's not how it is.
Who told
You will
that's
save
not
it
how
there and then
something
send
that
it.
I'm very sure, something that I'm looking at.
Let's go in.
Something I'm looking at.
Babe.
Wait.
You're cheating.
See.
Babe.
Babe, wait, let me finish this thing. Wait. Okay, I think it's this one.
It's not true. You have to save it there.
See it now.
Oh,
Babe, I'm coming now.
You have to save it on the file.
So,
And then you send it. I will laugh at
Come. Tomorrow, make me pack all your load. Now house get you. Because your presence for this house, you no give me any gain. Now trouble they give me. So I don't want wahala. Pack all your load. Now house get you.
Sister, what have I done?
What do you never do? You come back to the house, you go like that, I want my husband for chair, say they watch stupid TV. I go slap you, oh! I dey follow you dey play. Because say we not grow together for the same house. Let's say no, say I go slap you now. May you go village, go ask of me. Tomorrow morning, fiam, now house get you.
Sister,
They'll bring your letter coming today.
what's going on here? What's going on? Where are you going to?
good morning, sir.
Good morning. Where are you going?
I'm leaving, sir.
Leaving to where?
I'm leaving. My sister asked me to leave and I can't disrespect her, so...
You said you were going to stay here till you get your NYSC call up. So what is the issue?
That was what I wished for, but as it is, my sister wants me to leave, so I have to go.
No, you can't leave. You can't leave. I will have to speak to her.
You can't leave, who no fit leave? Why you say you no fit leave? He dey leave, come up for here now. He dey leave. He dey leave. Say no fit leave, go where?
Can you just stop?
Person where they leave.
No, honey. What has she done?
And they come on me and daddy for you. Person where they leave now.
Okay. No, honey. There is no need for all that. We can talk this whole thing out. Right?
What will they talk? Person they go out, say what they talk.
No, but she does not. Can she just state she gets her NYSC call up?
The call up too far. Maybe you go house.
No, come on, baby.
They go out.
Honey, come on. Don't worry.
I mean, you leave your wife, they hold on that person.
No.
They go house.
Honey,
You they go house, so.
No, babe, listen. Can you just calm down?
Now what's in the go on between you and my sister? I dey talk to you, Donald. What's in the go on between you and Cindy?
Are you sure you want to know?
Yes, I want to know. Tell me.
Okay. I am attracted to your sister. She has all the features I have been longing for.
Which kind of talk be that? What do you dey talk? You dey talk say you dey attracted to my sister. What do you dey talk from out? You dey hear yourself?
Was I having water in my mouth when I said it? Huh? Was I mumbling? I said I am attracted to your sister. She has shown me so much. A lot of features that I never imagined that could... Oh, sorry. You could never have. So don't blame me. And listen to me. I'm not going back. Because there is nothing anybody can do. Have you seen her? Have you seen the way she dresses? Have you seen her physique? Have you seen how beautiful she is? I'm head over heels. You're so sweet. Oh, oh yeah.
Baby.
Yes, baby.
I want it hard.
Ooh. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, you're so sweet.
Please touch my
Woo!
my navel.
Baby.
Suck it, baby.
Baby.
Oh my God.
Baby.
Oh,
Ah.
oh baby, I'm coming.
I'm coming with you, baby. I'm coming with you. Just wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Oh my God. Wait. Maria is snubbing me for caring for her husband. I don't understand. Is she not meant to prepare food for the husband to eat before going to work? Look at the dining, there is no food there. And I was trying to even assist her and then she snubbed me. Maria, my darling sister, you can go to hell with that your silly attitude for all I care. I'll go and fix something for my darling to eat.
Babe, I beg. You remember when me and you married traditional marriage? Everywhere, everybody just happy, they dance. You just they dance with me, you they happy. You say you like the way I dey innocent. Now me be this so. Now me now you want disgrace like this now. Wetin happen? Why you dey vex? Eh?
Well, I'm sorry I cannot continue. I've made up my mind to be with your sister. And I've also called in your people. They will be returning the traditional dowry.
I beg. Even if you want marry another person, you look foolish, you don't see my sister.
She's the one I'm attracted to. Can't you see? I am not one of those people that, move around the streets, the roads, looking at all those girls and all that. No. As I saw her, I like her, and I'm going for her, and that's what I want.
The incest be that an abomination.
There's not any incest. There's not any abomination. I'm returning the dowry.
I beg. No even talk.
No. Listen, I think by the time I conclude the marital rights with your sister, you will no longer be needed in this house. So I will advise you to start putting yourself together.
You tell me what you say happen.
I need to go to work. I'm sorry.
Donald! You come on, discuss the matter. We never talk this matter finish. Wait.
Donald, is this the plan you said you had? To marry your wife's younger sister? I mean, who gets married to two sisters?
When the wedding card is out, one has to go and that person is Maria.
Really? I think you've lost it.
That's what who is wearing the shoes does not say. Only people that are not wearing the shoes say that.
In what shoes are you talking about? What shoes, Donald? You know, this whole thing, I really shouldn't have mocked her in the first place. I think that is the reason you are taking this decision of yours.
The answer is no.
No. So?
You don't know the level of embarrassment this woman has given me. You don't know what I go through. You don't know what I face. You don't know her level of arrogance, incorrigible attitude. You don't know these things, so you don't sit down there and tell me what you don't know.
Donald, I will sit down here and tell you what I know. Because you won't tell me you don't know about all of this before you got married to her. You don't?
Chike, I'm not here to mumble words with you. Do you understand me? If you think you are that passionate about her, if you think you like her that much, why don't you just take her in? Feel free, take her.
What?
I mean, take her for free.
Donald, you're insane.
Donald, you're insane.
You're not okay.
I'm not okay, right?
Donald, you are out of your...
No, take her in now. Take her in.
I should take your wife in.
Yes, take her in. I'm giving you for free. You don't even need to refund anything.
You're giving me for free. Donald, this is not the right thing to do.
So why don't you take her in and do the right thing? So that by the time you feel the heat a little bit, I thought you were the one that was always telling me, she's a clown, she looks like a maid. Now you are seeing her as an angel. Rubbish.
I don't wanna wake up without you. Oh, I don't wanna grow up without you. I don't wanna live
No.
this life.
What am I doing? How can I kill myself over a man? I will not succumb to defeat. I'm not a coward. I'll fight. I'll better myself. I'll change. Is it beauty? I'll make myself better to get my husband back. And I know what to do. I will not give up. Never.
You are the love of my life. You are everything to me. I don't wanna spend this life with no other. I don't wanna wake up without you. Oh, I don't wanna grow old without you. I don't wanna live this life without you. Yeah. I wanna build my world around you. You are my energy when I'm weak. Oh, you are my medicine when I'm sick. Everything I love in this world is all about you. Ooh, you mean everything to me.
So like I was saying, some words like philosophy, the P is silent. Can you give me another example of something?
Thank you. And I beg, don't vex. All that area they stress you, they frustrate you. May you no vex. But I need your help now. May you help me, I beg.
Ah, Mrs. Maria. I'm here. What am I here for? It's nice to know you're ready. Finally, you're ready. Cheer up, Joe. So give me another example like I was saying. Mrs. Maria, it's okay.
Where's my wife?
Your wife left since morning to God knows where. I don't know.
Wait, that's really strange. She never leaves the house without serving me my food, making sure I'm okay.
If you've noticed, Maria, my sister, she has really changed. You know, she leaves this house in the morning, come back whenever she feels like. So, that's her business. Babe, how did it go?
Well, I've served her the invitation and she doesn't have a choice.
Exactly. She's not supposed to have a choice. Let me go and see her.
Hello. I know why you're here. I know what you are here to tell me. Donald has already told me that you and him are getting married. So don't bother coming here and fringing as if you want to little her, and I already know. You're supposed to be ashamed of yourself. You're not ashamed.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that? Why will I be ashamed of myself?
Yes, yes. And if you're here to also inform me I need to move, I know I'll move. I'm going to work, I'll save money, and I'll rent the place. I wish you
Take all the time.
and happiness. I'm taking all the time, of course.
Ah, getting more interesting. Baby, what's that look?
Are you not worried that she has improved in her dressing?
Are you trying to say she looks better than I do? Is that what you're saying?
Did I just hear her say she was going to work?
Work. Ah. Work? Listen, baby. Whatever Maria is putting up with, it's only a game. You need to realize this. Very soon, Maria, that I know, will go back to her normal life. The pig where she belongs. So please, come baby, let's go. Come baby. What's that look?
Maria just took my car keys. What is she doing with my car keys?
How am I supposed to know? Is that why your face is like that?
I don't really understand. Can she drive? Did you see the way she's dressed?
No, I didn't see her.
Maybe she's not driving. She can drive?
You need to relax. calm down your nerves. I know my sister too well. Maria that I know will never change. Before you know it, she has gone back to her normal self. So please, let's go and enjoy ourselves. Come, baby. Let's go.
I'm just worried.
You don't have to be worried. Okay? Let's go. Come here.
Chike, I called you in to remind you of my wedding that is coming up this weekend, and also to inform you that I've sent you a soft copy of the invitation.
This is bullshit, Donald.
You need to at least go through the card first.
You know, when I first heard about this, I thought it was a joke. You know what? I am not interested in your card. Neither am I interested in whatsoever wedding you're planning on.
Listen to me, Chike. You need to learn to understand me. Please.
At this point, I am done understanding you. As a matter of fact, you see this friendship? This is where we cut the ties. I will not be your friend and watch you get married to your wife's younger sister. No, I won't be found on that ship with you. So, you set sail alone.
The day is finally here, and my own kid's sister marries my husband. I want to be so mad at her. I want to hate her for what she has done to me. But then again, I thank God for a day like this. A time like this, when my eyes are open into knowing everything marriage is truly about. It's not perfect. It's not about sex or good cooking. I've learned that men crave for more. Much more than I ever could imagine. Education, exposure, class. And I'm better now. I've bettered myself. I'm no longer that naive girl who knew nothing. I'm now a changed person. An improved version. I've lost my husband. I'm certain that I'll find love again. And when I do find love, that husband of mine will not be disappointed in me, but proud.
Hi, sis. What are you wearing? Why haven't you changed?
I do not have the time for mockery.
Mockery? Sis, today is your wedding and you're wearing this?
You. I don't have the time for jokes or making fun. Do what you want to do, but don't involve me in it, please. You've done your worst. Enjoy. I honestly have nothing against you. Don't come here and make fun as if I'm stupid.
I will never make fun of my big sis, my Adane. Why will I make fun of you?
Can you please not put shit in my mouth and tell me it's chocolate? I'm not playing with you. Do what you have to do, but don't involve me, and I'm serious.
Sis, today is your wedding. Take a look at this. Can you see?
is not the same card Donald gave me. What pranks are you up to this time?
Sis, the truth is, the card Donald gave to you was just fake. This is the real thing. And today is your wedding. Yes.
I don't understand you.
Okay, I will explain everything to you. You know, your husband approached me a few months ago. He told me he was getting tired of you and the marriage. So he wanted you to be upset so that you would develop to something better.
Cindy, I'm really sorry for disturbing you at this time. If it is not something that is very important, I wouldn't have called you up, and I'm sorry.
My in-law, why would you call this disturbance when it involves my sister? She means so much to me and I love her so much. So, I'm okay, I'm fine. So what do you want me to do for you? So you can talk to me.
I don't know why she just decided to be a very stubborn person. Like, I don't get it. The truth is, I am not impressed with her lifestyle. I'm not impressed with the way she tries to put herself together. I don't just like it, and like, I don't.
Oh. Take a deep breath. My in-law. I understand how you feel. What exactly do you want me to help you? Do you want me to speak to my sister?
That is if she will listen to anybody. That is even if she's going to give a listening ear to anyone.
I know my sister is very, very stubborn. I know. You just have to take it easy with her. I was thinking by now you would have taken her to the altar.
I don't know, but I think we should do something. I think we could cook up something. I think we could work out something, you and I. You understand? Something that could make her want to change. You know, it might sound really awkward, but I think that's what we need to do.
Something like what?
You what?
Yes.
You what?
Sis, please, you need to calm down and listen to me. Sis.
You're lying.
At first, when he approached me, I wasn't down for it. I never wanted to do anything to hurt my own sister. Sis, I will never forget everything you did for me while I was growing up.
Lies! You're a liar! You're lying!
I'm not lying.
What you?
It's true.
You what?
It's true, Maria. It was all a prank.
Oh God, please. Prank that entailed you sleeping with my sister. I heard you.
It never happened.
No, it did. Ow!
It never.
It did.
No.
I heard.
We were just playing in the room. We sat apart. Yes. We made all our noise to get your attention. I will never have anything carnal to do with your sister.
Are you mad? Are you supposed to even think of anything carnal with my sister? Are you mad? Honey, are you both mad?
Honey, it's you I love.
Yes.
I will give in anything to have this you that I see today.
Don't ever use that word love with me.
I love you.
You sit in the room and ow with my sister.
Honey,
are you both mad?
Nothing. I have never touched her.
Nothing happened when you went there.
No, I didn't.
In.
Honey, I never did. I didn't. I swear with my life.
Wait, so you planned this?
Uncle never did it.
Who is your uncle?
Babe.
You just begged out.
No. Honey, today is our wedding.
No.
Later today.
No.
Everything is set. The invitations have been served.
Are you guys mad?
The way
we're moaning and shouting and holding.
No.
The one with my heart. People they say You're not the one for me. My friends they talk oh. You know be my type because you don't look like the one for me. Because you don't dress like the woman of my dreams. They wanna know, waiting carry me go your way. They wanna know, waiting you do me, but they don't know. They would understand if